Find the sum of 100 terms of an AP 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. Here number of terms n is equal to 100. First term a is equal to 0.6. Common difference d equal to a2 minus a1, that equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. That is d is equal to 1.1. We have to calculate sum of n terms, that is Sn. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute 100 for n, 0.6 for a, 1.1 for d. Therefore, S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. 2 divides 100 by 50 times. Therefore, S100 is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, because product of 0.6 and 2 is 1.2. 100 minus 1 is 99. Therefore, S100 is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. 99 into 1.1 is equal to 108.9. Therefore, S100 is equal to 50 into 110.1. Sum of 100 terms S100 is equal to 5505. Let us take problem number 8. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on. Here number of terms n is equal to 11. First term a is equal to 1 by 15. Common difference d, that is second term minus first term, that means a2 minus a1. Here d is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. LCM of 15 and 12 is 60. So d is equal to 5 minus 4 by 60. 12 divides 60 by 5 times, 15 by 4 times. Therefore, common difference d is equal to 1 by 60. We have to calculate sum of 11 terms. Sn is equal to question mark, that is S11 is equal to question mark. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute 11 for n, 1 by 15 for a, 1 by 60 for d. Therefore, S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. Students, observe here. In bracket, first term is 2 by 15. Here 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Also 60 can be written as 15 into 4. Therefore, 2 by 15 is common factor. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 into 1 plus 5 by 4. After taking 2 by 15 as common factor, in the bracket we have 1 plus 5 by 4. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. S11 is equal to 11 by 15 into 4 plus 5 by 4, because 1 plus 5 by 4 can be written as 4 plus 5 by 4. That implies S11 equal to 11 by 15 into 9 by 4. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Therefore S11 that is equal to 33 by 20. Here it is S11. Problem number 9. Find the sum of 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus and so on up to 84. Here first term a is equal to 7. Common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 10 and half minus 7. Difference is 3 and half. 3 and half can be written as 7 by 2. an is equal to 84. N has to be calculated, also Sn. Number of terms of this AP is not given, so we have to find number of terms of this given AP. Therefore an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find number of terms n. Substitute the values. 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Therefore 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7, because 84 minus 7 is 77. After cross multiplication, we have 2 in the numerator, 7 in the denominator. Therefore n equal to 22 plus 1, because 11 2s are 22. After shifting minus 1 from LHS to RHS, it will be plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 23. Let us take formula Sn, that is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d to find sum of 23 terms. Substitute 23 for n. S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 7 by 2. 23 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 23 minus 1, that is equal to 22 into 7 by 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Therefore S23 equal to 23 by 2 into 91, because 14 plus 77, that is equal to 91. Therefore S23 is equal to 2093 by 2.